Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa bagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about eToro again. So nag-send lang ng reminder yung eToro sa email ko back in October 25 and yung sumunod is on November 7. So essentially, same thing lang naman yung content nitong mga email na to. This is an important update. So, yung subject line is termination of services to clients in the Philippines. Kasi before, nung ginawa ko yung initial update natin or initial video about eToro closing the accounts of their clients here in the Philippines, may mga hindi pa rin naniniwala. Pero kasi, if for example, yung registered address nyo is hindi naman sa Philippines, then you don't have to worry. Kasi specifically, yung mga clients lang nila or yung mga accounts lang na registered sa mga Filipinos na residents here in the Philippines or based here in the Philippines, yung i-close nila. Sabi nila, we are writing to remind you that on December 8, 2024, eToro will stop providing services to users in the Philippines. As you live in the Philippines, business relations will be terminated and your eToro account or accounts will be closed. This includes the eToro Money Crypto Wallet, Copy Trader, and Smart Portfolios. And yung mga kailangan natin tandaan na dates or important deadlines are the following. First one is December 1. So transferring your crypto asset positions to the eToro Money Crypto Wallet will no longer be available. So we have around 12 days na lang para gawin ito. And then, yung mga crypto or mga coins o cryptocurrencies na sinusupport itong crypto wallet are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Tron, and Cardano. So, limited lang din ito. And then yung fee is at 2%. And then yung minimum fee is at $1. Then yung maximum fee naman is $100. So, kung medyo malaki position nyo, then malaki din yung magiging fee na babayaran nyo kapag ita-transfer nyo yung inyong cryptocurrency sa ibang wallet from your eToro wallet or eToro account. And then, the next date is December 8th. This is gonna be the final date to close all of your open positions. After this date, all positions will be closed by eToro, and your account or accounts will be considered as closed. You may only access your account or accounts for the purpose of withdrawing your funds. And then on December 15, your eToro Money Crypto Wallet will be blocked. Please ensure that you send any coins from the eToro Money Crypto Wallet to an external wallet before this date. And then on January 19, 2025, so this is gonna be the next year na. This is gonna be the final date to request funds withdrawal. And then on February 7, 2025, your access to your eToro account or accounts will no longer be available. So for example, if you no longer live in the Philippines, please update your address within 2 months and provide a valid proof of your new address, no older than 3 months, so we can update your records. So yung mga ina-accept nila, probably mga billing, yung ina-accept nila na what they call this, na proof of your new address. So for example, if you migrated already sa ibang bansa outside the Philippines, then you can provide a proof of your new address. So yun na lang yung way para makip nyo yung inyong mga eToro accounts. Just to be on the safe side, I think it's better to just move your assets, withdraw your funds from eToro and move it from alternative options. Kasi sinabi nila na within 2 months and yung timeline para mapag-provide ka na itong valid proof of your new address. And of course, it's gonna be assessed and processed by the eToro team. And we're not sure if like they will approve it, diba? So to be on the safe side, just withdraw your funds, close your position sa eToro, and then withdraw your funds. And good thing nga na nag-set na new all-time high yung, for example, Bitcoin. Diba? Nakita natin nag 92, 93K na yung Bitcoin. But I believe below 90K na siya ulit today. But it's still at 89 point something K. And then same thing sa mga US stocks, international stocks. So nag-all-time high yung S&P 500, yung Nasdaq, yung Dow. So that's actually a good thing. So for example, yun yung mga hino-hold nyo na ETFs or mga cryptocurrencies. Then you can probably sell for a profit. And then withdraw your funds. And then secure your funds. And then explore yung mga alternative options na pwede nyong i-pursue. So, yung unang option is actually Gotrade. So, I personally use that to buy US ETFs. So, mga Vanguard ETFs yung binibili ko. Examples yan, VOO, VT, VTV, and VUG. Then, yung second option is IBKR or Interactive Brokers. So, sa Reddit, yung mga nakikita ko dong reviews and feedback is maganda naman for IBKR. But personally, I haven't used it yet. So you just have to try it on your own. But again, I think Gotrade is the go-to option and is the easier option. Kasi pwede kang mag-deposit ng funds using local banks. For example, Union Bank yung isang option. The other one is BPI. And then the third option is GCash. Although yung GCash, mas malaki yung fee. And with the GCash fiasco like last week, I won't really recommend using GCash. So personally for me, I use BPI. So 12 pesos lang yung fee plus 55 cents. So maliit lang yung fee talaga. And then of course, kakainin nyo rin yung fee for the forex exchange. So foreign exchange of funds. Kasi yung PHP nyo or Philippine Peso is i-convert into USD or United States dollars. So sometimes around siguro 80 cents or $1 in difference pag ginugol nyo yung USD to PHP. And then kapag makikita nyo, sabihin natin mga 58 pesos yung USD to PHP sa Google. And then pag makikita nyo sa Gotrade, it's around 59 something. But yeah, it's still the easier route in my opinion. Although there's also this risk na i-ban or i-block ng Philippine SEC itong Gotrade and IBKR. Although we're not sure yet if that will happen. So, ang sinabi nga pala ng support ng Gotrade, kasi in-email ko sila. And then I copied their CEO. Pero hindi naman sumagot yung CEO, of course. He has like better things to do. So sabi ng customer rep na they are not specifically targeting Filipino clients. So wala silang kahit anong active advertising or like sales strategy dito sa Philippines. So probably we're safe on that end, but we never really know sa SEC kung ano bang gagawin nila. So we just have to wait and see kung ano ba magiging mga development for these two international brokers. But yeah, hopefully they won't touch these two. And okay nga rin sa Gotrade kasi they are working with local banks like Union Bank and BPI. And of course, they're also working with GCash. So probably meron lang relationship doon. So hopefully this is like me being very optimistic. Hopefully hindi siya itatouch ng SEC. Kasi doon ako nag-i-invest, doon ako nag-DCA sa mga ETFs. So it's not gonna be very good for me and of course for a lot of Filipino investors and traders. If i-block din nila itong mga, good international brokers na nagagamit natin dito sa Philippines. Okay, so correction pala. I should have started with the newer email. So sabi ng eToro, update your account will be closed on December 5th, 2024. We are writing to remind you of the closure of your account and we would like to update that instead of December 8th kasi yun yung previously nilang sinabi. The termination date has been revised to December 5th. So December 5th will be the final date to close all open positions. After this date, all positions will be closed by eToro, and your account will be considered as closed and terminated. You may only access your account for the purpose of withdrawing your funds. So yun lang naman yung nabago, I believe. Kasi December 1 pa rin yung deadline for transferring your crypto assets. Then from December 8 naging December 5 yung pwede kang mag-close sa mga positions, and after that automatic lang nilang i-close yun. Then same thing lang yung December 15 na mabablock na yung crypto wallet. Then fund withdrawal deadline is still January 19. And the final deadline is gonna be February 7, 2025. Yun yung time na we will no longer have any access to our eToro account or accounts. And then lastly, they closed with this one. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. If you have any questions, you can contact our customer service team by opening a ticket. So if ever meron kayong mga problema, for example, closing a position or withdrawing your funds, then you can contact their customer service team directly. So instead of like, for example, asking random people sa YouTube like katulad ko, sila yung mas nakakaalam nung tamang process, no? Kasi for me, I can just speak based on my experience. For example, yung mga nagtatanong nun, anong nilagay ko kung online banking ba or like local banking, kung ano bang bank yung ginamit ko. Personally, I use BPI and then online banking lang din. So after like 2-3 days, nakuha ko na agad yung funds ko. And I did that like a month ago. So mabilis lang naman, but yeah, it will still depend dun sa amount. So for example, sabihin natin malaki yung withdraw mo. So that might be flagged by the bank. I'm not sure. But for me, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung withdraw ko. So that's why I think na pumasok siya agad. Then it will depend on the bank itself then. So for example, ginamit nyo BDO, Union Bank, or RCBC or whatever, Metro Bank. Then that will depend on them kung gaano katagal ma-credit sa mga accounts nyo yung funds na withdraw nyo. So hopefully nakatulong ito as a reminder para i-close yung mga positions nyo and para ma-withdraw nyo or ma-recover nyo yung funds nyo from the eToro platform since magko-close na nga sila ng mga accounts natin here sa Philippines. Yun lang naman. Thank you for watching and listening. I will see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart. Baby, show me.